Okay, the second thing I'm going to modify or add some value to my Brompton titanium is to install this bracket for the water bottle. So as you know that this one is titanium material, so you have to be careful to put something in here. And then in order to avoid the scratch, I think I would choose this bracket from Rock Bros and then combine with this fit lock twist. So but something you have to be aware, if you install this kind of things to here, you have to avoid you have to choose the correct bolt in order not to penetrate this part, so it's avoid scratching here. Okay, so I will choose the bolt that is coming from the Rock Bros, smaller one. Okay, first we install this part first in here before we put this fit lock. Okay, I'm going to put some stick in here to avoid some scratch to my newly bought titanium Brompton, and the installation is very easy. Just put like this and then make sure that the location, the position of this bracket will fit the fit lock in here. I think it's enough, not too bottom. You can do a little bit bottom over here, not too high, but you see that there is a bend over here of the design. So I think this is the maximum, the lowest part that we can do at the moment. This part. So the way it works is this: it will just put it here. I think this is the most bottom part, and insert it to this hole that's provided in the package, and then you can take this hole a little bit back so it will cover the whole extra of this rubber. Same you do it on the bottom part, and you insert this to this clip. You see that it's easily get. Okay, since this is part a little bit tricky, because so I think I would better to take a little bit further over here. Okay, so like this. So in order to protect it equipped with this cable ties, so you can strengthen this part with the cable ties to avoid it being jump out accidentally. Same thing with this bottom part. You can insert the cable ties inside this hole so it appears neatly. Okay. Then you cut the extra of these cable ties. And then you may install this fit lock in here. Make sure that this bolt is not upper surface of this hole, so it will not blocking the smoothness of the water bottle when it comes inside like this. then put this garment bracket so it will not damage when you want to use at the bottom. There's no interruption to this garment bracket. Okay.